Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I am with another fake digital agency, CPL1 Scam Review. Affiliate marketing has been one of the most rewarding careers for almost a decade now. In theory, the job description of digital market sounds too easy and the public has shown immense interest in getting started with this specific field. CPL1 is a self-proclaimed all-in-one digital marketing service that answers the needs of both the marketers and the publishers. This platform claims to enable people from all over the world to make easy money by affiliate marketing. The kind of slogans they peddle and the taglines they employ are all too obvious, and many experienced person who has reasonable understanding will never ever proceed with them. We couldn't find any details about the owners of this platform, but we did find enough evidence which proves a connection with this platform with several other infamous scams in the sector. Unfortunately, there are a few websites which still give this platform positive reviews. Though the connection between the website owners and the platform creators are speculative, the conflict of interest is crystal clear. If you have come across positive comments or exaggerated advertisement type posts about this platform, then don't be inclined towards investing with them. Crooks behind this platform are extremely skilled, and the manipulative tactics they use are hard to find even for trained eyes. So never rush into any decision that involves money on their platform, and if they create a sense of urgency or too good to be true offers, then turn away immediately. As this firm looted people from all around the world, even financial regulators have issued warnings against them, and the platform will bite the dust soon. In other words, the business is a sinking ship, and everyone who has deposited with them will lose it all. So, to know more about it, stick with me till the end. Then what is CPL1 software? CPL1 software is said to be an all-in-one digital marketing solution that enables people with no experience to get started with running marketing campaigns just by clicking a few buttons. We know that the official explanation given by this firm is ridiculous, and certainly things are not that easy in the digital space. For starters, the trends in this sector are ever changing, and the only way to be profitable is to be updated about the latest happenings and by relying on new data generated by the users. There was a time wherein anyone could make boatloads of money just by running ads. But now, the entire scenario is not that simple. The number of new firms and websites are exploding, and the competition for traffic is immense and brutal, to say the least. This platform is supposedly acting like a middle person behind publishers and advertisers while also supporting various niche affiliate offers. They are trying to instill trust among the users by portraying themselves as some sort of authoritative figure in the sector. You should know that everything they say contains manipulative narratives to a certain degree, and at the end of the day, they are not reliable or trustworthy entities by any means. In theory, the explanation and imaginary stories provided by them might convince beginners in the sector. However, due to lack of solid verifiable data and obvious loopholes in their business model, no one should dare to try them out, or else they will lose money for sure. The internal metrics of the software are not made public, and they never publish any reports of their previous performance. In simple words, they intentionally haven't provided any way for us to find out the real profitability, and as such, they are not the one anyone should get tangled with. Moreover, the names of the brands they work with and their clients are also unknown. Given the lack of clarity and countless questionable tactics, it is clear that the software offers nothing of value to the customers, and it certainly isn't worth hundreds of dollars. Keep in mind that though traffic is necessary to make money online, the targeting should be perfect, or else the desired results can never be achieved. Going after quality traffic and getting leads from specific group of people is something which does involve a little trial and error attempts, and anyone who says otherwise is either a master manipulator or bored. We live in a digital era. Though the personal interaction between humans have gone down, certain aspects of psychology have not changed a bit. Generally speaking, any firm or organization that features details about the founders and other key members are received very well from the public. After all, who in the world doesn't like to hear a story with a good ending? The big organizations know that one of the easiest way to earn the public trust is by being transparent and cordial with them. While all the big firms have no problem in publishing their audit reports, latest updates and events. The same thing cannot be said about fake platforms such as the one we are discussing in this post. CPL1 is supposedly a disruptive platform that has helped thousands of people make money. Strangely, the owners behind this platform haven't shared any detail about their identity, and even the news outlets are not bothered about the existence of this company. Even the information regarding the employee is almost impossible to find or trace on the internet. Their mysterious low profile model means that they are afraid of the consequences of their actions and that they are just taking every step to prevent authorities from taking action against them. If this platform was truly legitimate, then why wouldn't the founders want media attention? Wouldn't they be the next world's richest person? The answer to the all question above is simple. These groups have nothing to offer to the public apart from disappointments. While the scam didn't post any information about the owner, some fake platforms do feature bogus details and imaginary tales. If you come across a good narrative along with social proof on any new platform, always double check the details shown by them. Remember, being safe is better than sorry, and as long as money is involved, there shouldn't be any margin of error left in the equation. As a firm doesn't uphold transparency in any way, form or manner, our suggestion to all of our audience is not to indulge with them for any reason. Know that the only way they can accomplish their goal is by looting their clients, and they will do anything it takes to make you deposit with them. We have listed out all the information about the website along with the contact information, and if you want it, then you can check our official website. CPL1 platform has three types of account types, and the benefits vary depending upon the kind of package the client chooses. For starters, an individual needs at least $250 to get started with them, and all they have to do to access the tool is register with it by submitting their email address and logging to the dashboard. Once you are in, you can choose the type of ad campaign you want to run, plug in your affiliate link, and pay the amount for running ads across multiple sites. Google, Facebook, and YouTube lets people get started with online advertising with as low as $10 a day, and they provide a lot of metrics to measure the performance and effectiveness of ads. If you have a keen eye, then you can find free vouchers or coupons to get started with them. And as far as traffic quality goes, if you mention the right criteria, then chances are it will be flawless. Just because you have traffic doesn't necessarily mean it is going to convert. Simply yet, do not spend huge money on any campaign and before seeing the result or having some kind of data to justify the expenditures. CPL1 primarily is said to be focused on generating leads at competitive prices. But after seeing the packages, we can assure you that there are a lot of better and cheaper options available in the marketplace. To sum things up, this platform doesn't provide any way of tracking the performance, charges high fees for running ads, and doesn't offer any cutting edge forensic tools. Clearly, they lack in every key area, and it does not make any sense to use their platform or services for any reason. If you're getting started with online advertising, then do not forget to limit your daily budget and to stick to the platforms only. At first, it might be difficult to gather enough details about the audience who are interested in the product or services you're selling. However, if you stick around for long, everything is going to become much easier and decisions can be purely data driven. Well, there is no such thing as an ideal time frame to see results. If you're consistent, then it shouldn't take more than a couple of weeks to see drastic changes to your campaigns. Affiliate market has been around for decades now. The goal of the affiliate market is to find good and reliable service, partner up with them, and drive traffic to the very same online destination. On paper, of all of the duties of the promoters will sound way too easy, but just like everything with life, things aren't that simple. The key aspect of this sector are first is traffic. Traffic is the bloodline of every online business. Basically, there are two types of generating traffic. The first one is through organic method and the other is by running paid marketing campaign. Both the ways of generating traffic have their own set of merit and demerit, and at the end of the day, it all comes down to your goal and budget. Before opening your affiliate account, be mindful of the actions needed in order to succeed in the niche you're interested in, then plan accordingly. Medium. There are different types and formats of content. For example, if you are a writer or are active in a new sector, then it might be beneficial for you to utilize both the search engines and YouTube to reach your audience. On the other hand, if you're someone who has products like drop shippers offer, then social media platforms are the best bet for you. There are few products which work exceptionally well on any platform, but the majority of offers available won't be like that. So choose a platform that suits your needs, and then plan for the other steps associated with the running campaign. Trust. Have you ever noticed the kind of views or sales got by people who have YouTube channels or websites that are around for a long period of time? Their statistics will be higher than the average because of the trust and credibility element. Nowadays, the barrier to get started on the internet is very low, and as a result, a lot of scams are going on. One of the best way to increase returns on ad spend is to be transparent with the public by putting out content for a long period of time. If there is one thing we can guarantee you about this sector, it is the fact that transparency is a much appreciated aspect and people will reward the kind of behavior. We at Cyberscam Review pay a lot of attention to the small details and always try our best in analyzing the website structure of the crooks. Many times, we do find a lot of valuable clues which will eventually lead us to the kind of strategies exploited by them. The people who are behind CPL1 are incredibly clever, and it is evident by the way they have masked the details in the domain registration process. Many big firms also hide the details or at least mask them for privacy concerns. However, the fraud firms like the one we exposing utilize the privacy reason to do their dirty deeds. Fortunately, as a website received a lot of traffic, there is heaps of data about the steps taken by them till date. They have focused heavily on getting traffic from Google and YouTube. Also, they have done a lot of paid ads via PTC sites as well. User feedback. Instant gratification is a curse which many people in the current generation have. Whenever we see a cool product or new money making opportunity, we are eager to try it out, right? While the basic tendency of human cannot be changed. We need to be rational while making decisions, or else it will inflict a deep scar on our pockets. To gauge the reputation and reliability aspects of a firm, always check for customer feedback. Note that customer reviews can be manipulated to a certain extent, so we cannot recommend you to trust them blindly. But in most cases, it will give you the real form of the aspects mentioned. CPL1 doesn't have much user-generated content online, and the reason behind it is unknown. Thankfully, every platform is not vulnerable to attacks from this entity. So to check out the comment made by users on Trustpilot and cybertrace.com AU about this firm, they are both insightful and sad. The role of promoters and marketers of this firm is beyond anyone's imagination. In the initial days, this firm gave special attention to the marketing department, and clearly they did find a winning formula. In the online world, one of the most important aspects is perception. If people truly believe in a firm, then they will be more likely to invest more into it and stick around for a longer period of time. Fake platforms like CPL1 always offer fat commissions for the affiliate marketers in order to grow their customer base at a rapid pace. The exact commission percentage is unknown, but using history as a guide, it may be around as much as 15 to 20% of the revenue generated. Conflict of interest arises between the promoters and the public because of the money involved, and at the end of the day, the public always gets hustled. So, don't fall for the fake reviews and the enticing comments you might come across on the web with a referral link attached to it. Day by day, the number of fraudulent activities on the web is increasing. Millions of people are scammed or looted in one way or the other, and sadly, most victims don't know the ways of getting their funds back. To delay or avoid the easy tracking of transactions, the crooks have been expanding their operations to cryptocurrencies, which provide them more room to breathe. It doesn't mean that they are invincible. In the initial days of the crypto boom, the tracking was difficult. Now, thanks to many recovery agencies, the scenario is entirely different. And from tracking wire transfer, debit or credit card payments to cryptocurrencies, everything can be done. One of the quickest way of recovering the fund back is by initiating a chargeback process if you have made the payment using credit card. For other payment mechanism, the process is different and a little complicated. If you need any assistance with the recovery process, get in touch with the experts. Just let us know the incident and few basic details and we will do the assessment for you in free of cost. Ad Supply and CPL1 are linked to various other scams in the sector which feature the same narratives but use different brand and domain names. The names of the associated scam are mentioned. All of the firms containing the people in the name of affiliate marketing appears to be owned by a single group of skilled scammers. They are tarnishing the name of legit organizations such as click2sell.com and are mimicking their operational model too. If you ever land on their platform, there will be packages ranging from $200 all the way up to $25,000. The sales team of these firms are known to be aggressive and due to their commission structure, they will always encourage the clients to go with a costlier package. Regardless of the things they say, never fall to the trap because if you do, then it is going to cost you a lot. Is CPL1 a scam? A big one. CPL1 in simple term is a make money online scam. Now, because of the pandemic and ever rising unemployment rate, many people are looking for ways to make money online. Thanks to the internet, it is possible to make more than enough money by running online stores, drop shipping and other trendy online activities. But remember, none of them are easy to crack at the beginning. Skill set is needed to climb up the ladder and the only way to learn the rope is by doing it. I advise to use to start by selecting a niche you like and then focus on the value you can bring to the table. There may be few genuine courses that will help you, but always say no to the ones which promises you easy result. Ad expenditure is also not always required and whether to spend money on it or not mainly depends upon your risk appetite and need. If you have made up your mind to run ads, then it is better to stick with the big guns like Google, Bing, YouTube or Facebook as they are reliable and have been employed by a lot of big corporations. The key to profitable ad is quality data and metric and as soon as you find your sweet spot, things will improve exponentially for you. Lastly, never go all in on any one ad campaign. Instead, start out by testing different approaches. Eventually, the time and result will show you the best way of maintaining the campaign. CPL1 is a fancy digital marketing tool that only benefits the creators and promoters. They have no extraordinary feature and the amount of data provided by them to the user is vague and not sufficient by any means. The packages are expensive and most of the people have never received any positive ROI with them. Moreover, they display a lot of red flags and have clear connections with other scams in the industry. Given every fact about them, it will be a suicide mission if anyone deposits on their platform. So turn down any offer the scammers might entice you with and spread the word by sharing this post with their social circle.